Hello everyone, my name is Sumire KATO. My presentation is about flower picture and relaxation. First of all, do you like flowers? According to my survey, 77.5% of the people answered yes. As a possible factor, we can think of many things. For instance, because flowers are beautiful, or maybe because flowers exist in nature, so it is common and familiar to humans for a long time. So from this result, it can be said that there is a common recognition that flower is a preferable thing for humans, so which means flowers are mostly likable. Next, please look at this figure. This figure shows the people's effect that gets from when there's a flower in the room or not. The orange bar shows the sympathetic nerve, and the blue bar shows the parasympathetic nerve. The sympathetic nerve is a nerve that works when people feel stressed or nervous. And the parasympathetic nerve is a nerve that works when people are resting or being relaxed. As you can see from this figure, when there's a flower in the room, the sympathetic nerves are less active and the parasympathetic nerve is more active. So which means that flowers have the effect of making people feel less stressed and more relaxed. In our daily lives, we get many kinds of stresses. Especially in Japan, Japanese society is called a stress society. And also nowadays, many people are getting stressed out because of COVID-19. So from this problem, I wanted to find a way to reduce stress by using flowers. To figure out a way, I focused on smartphones. The reason why is that most people use smartphones in daily life. From these facts, I thought that looking at flower pictures on a smartphone can be in one easy way to reduce our stress. But actually, there's one problem for this way. On the internet, there are more than 10 million pictures of flowers. So it is very difficult to find the suitable picture for reducing our stresses. So in my presentation, I would like to present the flower picture conditions that effectively reduce our stress. These are the outline of my presentation. Next, I'll show you my research of color science and my survey results. In the research of color science, I thought that color is one important factor in the visual effects we get. So I investigated the colors. Colors are mainly separated into two parts, warm colors and cool colors. Warm colors have an effect of making people feel excited or feel warm. On the other hand, cool colors have a sedative effect, which means that people can feel relaxed or calm. And also people can feel cool. Among the many colors, I focused on these three colors: green, blue, and orange. Green has the effect of regulating blood pressure, which leads to a relaxation. And blue has an effect of stimulating parasympathetic nerves and calms our breathing. And last, orange has the effect of removing anxiety and oppression. Among these three colors, I thought that green can be put into the picture as flowers leaves, or maybe the surrounding grasses. And then there was a question in my head. Blue and orange. Which is more effective? To figure out the answer to this, I did a survey. In my survey, I showed people 2 pictures and make them choose which one is more relaxing for them. In the first question, I showed these 2 pictures, a blue flower picture and an orange flower picture. And as a result, blue flower picture was more relaxing. So from this result, I can see that blue is more effective, and that can be the answer to the question I had in the color science part. In the second question, I showed these 2 pictures. A picture that is taken in a wide shot, or in the picture taken in the close-up. As a result, close-up picture was more relaxing for people. From this result, it can be said that stress reduction effect is more higher when the shape of the flower is clearly seen. In conclusion, there are 3 conditions when choosing a flower picture to reduce our stresses. And those conditions are these 3. 1 is the picture that clearly shows the shape of the flower, which means a close-up picture. 2 is a picture with blue flowers. And 3 is a picture with green, which means the flower's leaves or the surrounding grasses are also in the picture. These are some examples of that fits all 3 conditions. Please refer to them and find one picture that suits you best. These are the references. Thank you for listening.